Do you have international clients that complain about the apps and the software that you author for them? That the look and feel of the software is so terrible, that the user interface is so amateurish, that the colors are so garish, and that the user experience design of the software is decades old. Don't you wish that you could understand how to author software that is more intelligent, more beautiful, more intuitive, more delightful, and even more playful? If so, then for the sake of your success and your career, you need to be part of the design revolution sweeping across India.